say make me proud, but I know you will, so I don't have to say it. You say?
What are you doing?
Keep in contact. Okay? Love you, buddy. You're gonna be awesome. You're gonna be awesome.
Oh, Mark.
Give me this little cup.
Olivia, you can get in there. Olivia's going to join in the group hug real quick. Kayla, you can too. Amanda, you want to join in? I'm hugging in my spirit. All right. It's okay, honey.